It's a glorious day today for a change. So we're going out. We need to have a drive anyway because our batteries are down to, is it 11.6?
Something like that.
Yeah, which ain't great. So we need to drive anyway, get the batteries going. So Stephen's behind us, he's following us. And we're going to go to the Fairy Glen, hopefully, as long as we can park up. So, see you in a bit. So lovely to have blue skies. Good for the soul, innit? Carl nodded. But it is. Even if it's a cold day, just seeing the sun makes you feel better. Are you waiting to go out, beautiful boy? Yeah. Just waiting for Stephen to charge his phone, ain't we? Yes, we are. Oh, he's beautiful. Looking at the sheep again, are ya? So that's the car park down there. It's a pay and display. A bit of an uphill walk to start off with. Not too mucky though, which is good. So the skies are blue, but it is bitter because of the wind. There's the road you come down. But the scenery is absolutely beautiful. It's all like ripples. Don't know if you can see that there in front. And hopefully you can see there the ripple effect that'll mean. What an amazing place. It's just so lovely to get out again. Now Cole's done his negatives. And there is a waterfall over there, so hopefully this goes in that direction and we can get to that. Town half lovely here. Well worth a visit. Just gorgeous. And there's Nookie Monster and Carl up on the hill. I think Carl's taking a photo of me here. And there's the waterfall there. Hopefully this goes to it. So it looks absolutely stunning. What a place. It's really quiet here as well. And there's Nookie coming down with Carl. Let's hope we get him falling over. Well, and it absolutely beautiful. Such a knobhead, isn't he? Oh, Nookie's beautiful. And there's Stephen with Skye, like a tiny little dot.
And here comes Ellen, Stephen and Skye climbing the mountain up to me.
Can't feel my face or my fingers.
I know, the camera's shaking, but it's me shivering.
Lovely. Fascinating place. Another little lock in here. How beautiful is that? Snow on the mountains over there. Just a dusting. Such a shame we can't get any closer to that. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's walk up, see if we can see Mr. B. This is the actual road. Oh, there's Nookie Monster. And the sky is still blue. Lovely. Still bitter though. So we're going up this track now, which is a proper footpath. Don't know where it ends up. We shall see. Just nice to be out again, even if it is cold. Been right crap staying in the van. And I got out that one time with Stephen for that little mini walk. just to get Nook out properly. Nook's been bored. Poor dog. And I've got the Looney Tunes while Stephen's flying his drone. Bloody head case she is. Thought Nookie was a nutter. Look at her. Looking for sheep. Smelling them on the wind. Nut job, ain't ya? Stop killing. Yes, we know. Nutter. Such a fascinating landscape. And you can probably hear Stephen's drone in the background. But what a beautiful place. How beautiful is that? So apparently that was actually made in 2013 and they don't like it being here for some reason. That's all I know. And apparently the people who look after the place keep clearing it because it ends up with stones going around the circle. Nice bit of blue there. Not that you can feel it. It's absolutely bitter. But at least it's dry. And Stephen's being his usual mental self and going around in a circle in the spiral thing. Bloody nutter. We've just walked along there. We're going back to the motorhomes now. Nook's being a big idiot again because there's sheep around, and Skye's being an idiot as well because there's sheep around. Pair of idiots, man, honestly. So we don't know where we're going, but we pulled over in a lay-by so we can follow Stephen. And you can't see on here, but there's a bit of snow on the mountains again. We're back on the A855, what goes up to the Old Man of Store and Staffing and Kiltrock, that area. So, see where we end up. But anywhere will do at the minute because it is pretty dark.